Okay, I am about to show you the easiest way that you can update a premium plugin or theme without worrying about anything going haywire. Now, the first thing we need to do here is we need to add a new plugin, and it is called Easy Theme and Plugin Upgrades. And you just want to search for that in your Add a New Plugin screen, and then we're going to install it and activate it. And then to test this for you and show you how it works, I've actually installed an old version of Hello Dolly, and you can see here that it is saying that there is a update available. Now let's assume that this is a premium plugin, and when you update a premium plugin, you are doing this in most cases by removing the old version and then installing a new version. And the cool thing with this Easy Theme and Plugin Upgrades is on this screen we can just add new, and then I'm going to upload the zip file, Hello Dolly, and watch what it does. It backed up the old version of the plugin, and I'm going to show you where that backup is. And then it removed the old version and installed the new version, and then we just have to activate it. And bam, we got the new version. Now, if there was any problems, the old version has been backed up inside of your media library. There it is right there. And you can download it and reinstall it if you needed to. So this is a really simple and easy and safe way to upgrade any premium plugins or themes. Okay, hope this was helpful, and see you next time.